Building a one-person online business is one of the most empowering things you can do today. You don't need investors, employees, or even a big budget, just a laptop, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn. In this video, I'll walk you through every key step to create a profitable solo business, even if you're starting from scratch. You'll learn how to choose the right business model, attract your audience, build your brand, and set up systems that earn income while you sleep. The digital world has made it possible for one person to run what used to take a team, and I'll show you how. So grab a notebook, settle in, and let's break down exactly how to build your one-person online business from the ground up. The first and most important step in building a one-person online business is developing the right mindset. You're not just an employee anymore, you're a creator, a decision maker, and the entire engine behind your business. This requires shifting from "I need to be perfect" to "I need to start and improve along the way." Many people get stuck waiting for the perfect idea, logo, or website, but progress beats perfection every single time. You'll make mistakes, and that's okay. Every mistake is data that helps you get better. Also, focus on systems, not just hustle. Working 16-hour days isn't sustainable. What's smarter is designing repeatable processes, like automated emails or scheduled content, that let your business run even when you're not working. A strong mindset turns you from a freelancer into an entrepreneur. Part 2. Choose your business model. Next, you need to choose a business model that fits your skills and lifestyle. As a solo entrepreneur, you want something lean, flexible, and scalable. There are a few great models for one-person businesses: freelancing or consulting, where you trade skills for money; digital products, like ebooks or courses, that you create once and sell forever; affiliate marketing, where you promote other people's products and earn commissions; and content creation, like YouTube or blogging, which can grow into sponsorships or ad revenue. You can also build a micro SaaS if you're into tech, a small software tool that solves one problem well. Don't overthink your choice. Pick one model that aligns with your skills and passion, then focus all your energy on making that model work. Consistency matters more than variety at this stage. Part 3. Find your niche and target audience. Every successful business solves a specific problem for a specific group of people. That's your niche. Trying to serve everyone is a recipe for burnout and weak results. Instead, get clear about who you help and what you help them achieve. For example, instead of "I help people get fit," say "I help busy professionals lose weight without going to the gym." That clarity makes your marketing 10 times easier, because people instantly understand what you do. Think about your audience's biggest frustrations and desires. Read comments, join forums, and ask questions. You'll find patterns. When you understand your audience deeply, you can create content, products, and offers that speak directly to their needs. In short, your niche is your compass. It keeps your business focused and your message clear. Part 4. Build your personal brand. In a one-person business, you are the brand. People buy from people they trust, not faceless companies. Building your personal brand means showing your authentic voice, your values, and your expertise. Start simple. Choose a few colors, a clean logo, and a professional photo. But remember, branding isn't just about visuals. It's about how you make people feel. Be consistent in your tone, whether you're posting on Instagram, sending emails, or speaking on video. Share stories, show your process, and talk about what you've learned. Over time, your audience will recognize your name and associate it with credibility and value. A strong brand helps you stand out in a crowded market and gives your business a personality people can connect with. Part 5. Build your online presence. Once your brand is defined, it's time to build your online presence, your digital storefront. You don't need a complicated website. A simple, one-page site with a clear message can work wonders. Include what you do, who you help, and how to contact or hire you. Tools like Card, Notion, or Squarespace make it easy to get started without coding. Then, establish yourself on 1 or 2 social platforms where your audience already hangs out. If you're targeting professionals, LinkedIn might be best. If you're visual, use Instagram or TikTok. If you love teaching, YouTube is perfect. The goal is to create content that helps your audience and positions you as a trusted expert. Be consistent and authentic. That's how you'll ace, grow your visibility and credibility online. Part 6. Create value and build authority. The foundation of every successful online business is value. You need to show your audience that you can help them before they pay you. The easiest way to do this is through content. Blog posts, YouTube videos, short tips, tutorials, or case studies. Teach what you know and solve small problems for free. People will naturally trust you to solve bigger ones for a price. Don't worry about giving away too much. Your expertise and personality are what make your paid offers special. Over time, consistent content builds authority. People begin to see you as a go-to expert in your niche. That's when opportunities like collaborations, partnerships, and sales start flowing in. The more you give, the more your business grows. Part 7. Create a simple sales system. Now that you're creating value, it's time to monetize it. You need a simple system that turns attention into income. Think of it like a funnel. First, attract people with helpful content. Second, capture their interest with something free, like a guide, checklist, or email newsletter. Third, offer a paid product or service that solves a deeper problem. Use tools like ConvertKit, Gumroad, or Shopify to automate this process. You can set up emails that nurture leads and guide them toward your offer while you sleep. The goal isn't to sell hard, it's to educate, connect, and present your solution naturally. A one-person business thrives when your sales system runs smoothly and authentically, letting you focus more on creating and less on chasing customers. Part 8. Automate and scale. As your business grows, you'll quickly realize that your time is your most valuable asset. That's why automation is key. Use tools like Zapier to connect your apps, Calendly for scheduling, and Canva for easy content creation. Automation doesn't mean you're lazy, it means you're smart. It allows you to deliver consistent results without burning out. Once your systems are working, look for ways to scale, maybe by launching a new digital product, running ads, or outsourcing small tasks like editing or customer support. Scaling doesn't mean building a huge company. It means creating leverage so your business can grow without doubling your workload. When systems work for you, freedom becomes real. Here's the truth. Building a one-person online business isn't easy, but it's absolutely possible. You'll face challenges, self-doubt, and slow progress at times, but that's part of the journey. Every successful entrepreneur started where you are, with one idea and the courage to take the first step. The key is consistency. Show up, even when it's hard. Keep learning, keep improving, and focus on helping people. Success online doesn't come overnight. It's built through daily effort and smart systems. If you stay patient and persistent, you'll wake up one day realizing your side hustle has become your full-time business. So don't wait for the perfect time, start now. Your one-person online business could be the start of something life-changing.